Make your hands look 5 years younger overnight. Another video by TopVids PH. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button below so that you could get notified whenever we upload a new video. Are your hands looking older than they should? Some of the factors that affect the aging of our hands are things that a lot of us are exposed to every day. Harsh chemicals from laundry soap and dishwashing liquid can make your hands age faster because it strips away your skin's natural moisture. Sun exposure may also cause damage to your skin if you neglect to protect it with sunscreen. Today, we'll teach you several ways to make your skin look 5 years younger just by using these natural homemade products. Lemon and sugar scrub. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix these ingredients together and apply onto your hands. Scrub for 1 minute over each hand and rinse with water. Shea butter mix. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons shea butter and 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Mix these together until you make a well-mixed paste. Wash your hands with warm water and gentle soap. You may do this after your lemon sugar scrub treatment. Apply shea butter paste onto your hands. Apply generously. Wrap your hands with cling wrap or plastic disposable gloves for a few hours or leave overnight. Rinse with water and gentle soap. Notice that your hands are now brighter and younger looking. Continue doing these steps at least once a week and your hands will never age. You will finally achieve that soft and beautiful hands that you have always wanted to have. We do hope you liked this video. Do tell us how it worked for you, and if you have other requests for videos that you would like us to do, just drop us a message in the comments section below. See you on our next video.